This video was sponsored by Enhance, Elbilmek, a bit planner, Kempower and Bilkomponenter. Yo, what's up? We're now in Chiang Mai getting ready for one last family trip to Chiang Mai. So yeah, we're gonna go back to Norway soon. So this time we're gonna do it in this poor man's Jeep, or I don't know, Jeep from Temu. What should I call it? The Geländewagen from China. But yeah, it's called Jaecoo 6. So it's only 4.4 meters long, kind of compact, all-wheel drive, 220 kilowatt power output, actually 225 kilowatt power output. And yeah, look here, let's start in the trunk. You open it like this, huh? You like it? It has a space, well actually, not that spacious trunk, but good enough for us. Yeah, and then here, where the spare wheel, is it rectangular? No, this is actually an extra space for luggage. So you put some of the baby clothes here. Yeah, why not? And it's actually locked along with the car. Yeah. And then in the back here, you see we have Cybex Anoris T2. And then Cybex Cloud Z2 over there for the kids. They'll be sitting in the back. And then in the front, we have this. Oh yeah. Huh? Okay, so I gotta tell you guys, Jaecoo, they copied Tesla in many ways. For example, here, do you recognize the scroll wheels? Oh, I'm actually changing the temperature now on the HVAC. Okay. You can press it also. You can go sideways, just like Tesla. And well, we have the gear stock here, but that's not super special. But look here, we have Love Pets mode. Press the button, confirm. Okay, applying. And okay. Where have we seen this before? Well, actually, we can go to the day mode instead. If we go here, and then we go to settings here. And then you go to click. There's so many settings here. Display, light color. Okay, and then we go. Where was it again? Here. Yeah, I have intelligence. Oh shit! Now it's become too bad. Sorry. Intelligent scenarios. I don't know why I press something and then. Yeah. And also the way autopilot and stuff works, once you start driving, all the stuff will be here, just like in Tesla. The sounds is just like in Tesla, dung dung, you know, like that. Okay, anyway, the family is inside. They're gonna start soon. I will call them out soon. But also I'll be driving, well, May I will be driving the semi-pro car, and also there's some luggage in here. You know, you guys know the drill. We're on the move, and as usual, the kids, well, Isabel is asleep now, and Axel, well, he hopefully falls asleep soon. We had to stop a bit at the checkpoint, and then he was crying. Now he seems to calm down. We just need this road with some bumps. Oh, drive faster! I don't want to drive too fast around here because it's a bit twisty. So I don't want to make everyone seasick, or car sick rather. Yeah. Well, it doesn't wag like a boat, unlike Dense I drove earlier. Alright, but we're gonna go to a restaurant around 45 minutes away here. Have some dinner. We actually start late today. It's already 4 in the afternoon. Yeah, normally we start around noon, but today we are a bit late. But maybe that's a good thing, because this car doesn't have any tint on the windscreen, which means that it gets hot in here in the day, but now 4 in the afternoon, then the sun is not that strong anymore, and then we just have to deal with this tomorrow, or maybe go when it's early and avoid the sun, or be in the shopping mall all day. Let's see. We have now arrived at the restaurant, and yeah, well, it's not work safe, but we are breastfeeding Axel. He might be a bit hungry. Isabel is asleep in the back there, the Cybex. And your wifey chose this restaurant because it's called Klo Long Khao Kitchen. It's a Michelin rated place. Yeah, It's not too busy today. Hopefully the food is good here. They have ahanua, yeah, northern food. So we just have to wait for everything to finish. Yeah, and Maya just arrived. Right, oh, she was just right behind us. Okay, Maya, check it out, check it out. Okay, press here. Voila! You like that shit? Have the clothes in there. Yeah, and then see if she figures. You see if she figures out how to close it. You see, I also pressed the button there, but you actually have to press here. It's a bit not logic. There.
What the heck?
Yeah. Hey, check it out. I just noticed something. When you open here, you close it. Soft close, huh? Does your Jeep have that? No? I thought so. Ah, look at this. Rice fields. This is where the rice is from, huh? Ah. Nice landscape. So we are a bit away from the main road, so you can hear that it's nice and quiet over here. Look here. Michelin, 4 years in a row. 2022, 2023, 24, and also 25. Yeah. Well, actually here there's no logo. Well, there's that logo. But here we have the Michelin logo. And then supposedly lots of celebrities, they have been here. Well, the wifey told me, I suggested, well, why don't they take a picture of me hanging up here? She'd be like, Where's the sense of humor, huh? Some people will be like, oh, Teslabjorn came here, shit. Okay, as usual, some of the food arrived. Looks delicious. Most of this is ahanua. It's northern food. We have some sticky rice, some regular rice. There's some snack for Isabel. It's mostly just air anyway. But nobody touches the food until everything is here. We're taking a picture on Instagram. Instagram หรือที่ไหนอะ? Facebook, Instagram, TikTok? No, TikTok is dead, right? Oh yeah, it's complete now. Deep fried pumpkin. We have nam. This is deep fried frog. Oh, maybe it's right from here. No, okay, probably not. So yeah, let's dig in.
กินข้าวอยู่เดี๋ยวค่อยไปดูตอนนี้หิวน้ำเดี๋ยวค่อยดู
This is good stuff.
เราไม่กินข้าวแป๊บครับ
Isabel, นั่งดีๆนั่งดี Come on, sit here. Okay. Alright, that was okay food, but I talked to wifey now. We kind of agree that it wasn't like super wow, you know. I mean, it's okay. The service was a bit poor because they forgot the drinks. We ordered drinks and they forgot about it. We had to bug them, and it still took a while before we got the drinks. I was like, huh? How can they forget the drinks? They should notice once they serve the food that there is something missing here. Yeah, and also
English.
The food was just, I mean, it was okay, but not wow, not like super delicious. There's actually a local place in Chiang it's called Mo Hao, that has really good food, and you get big portions. I was really impressed of how good that Mo Hao place is, and also quite affordable. Here, total was around 1,200-ish baht, so yeah, a little bit above average. Normally we could get away with maybe 600, 800 baht if it's not so expensive. But I mean, it's not super expensive. But yeah. Okay, now we're gonna go to 7-Eleven and maybe grab some food and some stuff. We need wet tissue. And it seems like traffic has calmed down now. It's 6:30. We don't want to go too late to the Airbnb tonight, so I think for once we'll be there before 8, right? Well, we're now at the Airbnb, and this is the last time we visit Chiang Mai before we go back to Norway, so we're gonna make it count. Look at this. Look at the neighbor. They're freaking huge houses everywhere, man. Like, there's just a massive entrance. You can park 10 cars here, you know? And as I walk here, I was like, whoa, 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 what? This wife is like, do you think what I think? I'm like, whoa, whoa. Okay, no, it's not what you think. They just use some kind of blocks of rocks or whatever to cover the surface because of doing it. But like, it's just massive, the property over here, man. Holy crap, it's huge. It wasn't that expensive. It was around 3,800 baht per day. So this house is humongous. We have to go inside. Let's start in the living room. It's just massive. We have 2 dining tables. There's sofa, TV, air conditioning, fan. Here we have a piano. What? Okay. Nice chandelier, right? 2 air conditioning, one over there, one over there. Yeah, why not? And then here we have a humongous kitchen. It's not just here, it is here also. Well, that is a huge cutting board. Oh, and then more here. Yes, why not? Why not? It's huge. Oh, okay, here we have the stuff. Okay, but this is insane how big it is. It makes my house in Jessheim look small. And oh yeah, no, I forgot, we have more here. Okay, here we have bathroom. And also the bathroom is spacious with actually a shower that is fairly spacious. And of course here, yeah. But not only that, look here. What is this room? Well, this is the washing room. But it's not just the washing room. Okay, we have stuff here, but there's a table and more seating place here. And then what is this? Can we enter here, or is this forbidden? Oh, it's like in a game. No, you're not allowed to enter there until you reach level 99. Okay. See, this thing is crazy. It's insanely large. Oh, let's go upstairs then. Wait, oh, okay, oh. And then there is a bed in the first floor. Yeah, here. But everything is so big, you have to walk all over the place just to get to one place. Okay, oh, here we have a bedroom, a TV, of course, a clock, and then that's it, also air conditioning here. Wow, and then upstairs. Let's see, nice stairs, wow. This is impressive. Look here, okay. I think this is the master bedroom. Wow, it's huge. Wow, and it's beautifully decorated. Let me see, what about the... Yeah, it's not so hard, I like it, okay. Yeah, I think this is wifey's room here with a makeup table. A big screen, of course. 27 degrees in the air conditioning. I think that's a little bit too hot, right? Where's the remote? Here, here's the remote, okay. They use Samsung. No, wait, it's set to 22. Why is that one displaying 27? There, 23, okay. 24, I think that's okay. There's a big space here. What is this? Big bathroom. What is this? Oh, okay, this is outside. All right, all right. Oh, there's a shower outside. What? I don't feel like getting eaten by mosquitoes while I take a shower. All right. It's insanely big. And then here, okay. This is the. Maybe Maya will sleep here. There's a baby bed here. Yeah, Axel likes it. Yeah. And then here also, wow, big bathroom. With a little shower corner here. All right, great. And then connects to the other bedroom. Wow. I think this is where me and Isabel will be sleeping. Wow, this is beautifully decorated. Wow. Wait, there's one more here. One more room. What is that? Okay, go over here. And then, okay, I don't know what this is. The prayers room. Oh, wait. What? I hope there's nothing in those things. Oh, Isabel, don't touch it. Could break. You know? Wait, I think we have to turn on the lights here. Here. Yeah, oh, there's a good light. Wow. Okay, fortunately, stuff here that can break is placed high. And I also saw that they had secured, well, some of the outlets. Wow. Okay, awesome.